Hello everyone. January 2026 BAM parts are now in stores and Lego is celebrating Ninjago's 15th anniversary this year. Stick around till the end of this video because there are some fun facts coming up along with a surprise glimpse of very cute Valentine's Day BAM selection. Let's get started. So, Ninjago minifigures have always been among the best Lego has ever made, and this time we are getting some of the most loved characters from the series. First up, we have Anna, also known as Young Sora. She comes with a show accurate black torso featuring gold and silver textile printing both in the front and the back. Her facial expressions are cheerful and she has short plain legs and coral space buns as hairpiece. The accessory option here is a flat silver wrench. We have seen several versions of Sora before, the grown up versions, but all of them were in similar white and coral outfits. This is the very first time we are getting Anna, and that black tech torso is a fantastic new addition. I do wish there had been a new backpack accessory in the mix or something more, but honestly, I don't mind the wrench. Next, we have young Aaron with a bright light orange torso featuring a large Ninjago logogram letter A on the front. The back does not have the Aaron logogram, which is actually accurate to the show. I personally would have preferred a face with thicker eyebrows, but I can still pick that up somewhere later. The pie accessory makes sense given his love for baking and also pies. We have had plenty of older Aaron variants, but this is the first ever version of young Aaron, and I do appreciate that for the 15th anniversary. That said, I do have some nitpicks. I really wish we had gotten more effort here, maybe a better face option, a new hairpiece molded with the orange hood, or even some printed legs. Getting just a torso feels a bit low effort for a milestone anniversary BAM of such a special character. Third in the lineup, we have young Lloyd, who comes with a ninja hood, short legs, and a slingshot accessory. The facial expressions are not new, but the green robe torso with scale detailing and back printing is a brand new print. We have already had two versions of young Lloyd and many older ones, but this BAM version feels just okay, nothing significant. I was supposed to pair him with a matching short legs, but for some odd reason, I couldn't find even a single matching pair at the BAM station, so I just picked up the darker version. And considering Lloyd's popularity and the 15th anniversary, this really feels like a missed opportunity from Lego to give us something that truly stands out. Fourth, we have Dareth, the brown ninja. He comes with a celebratory brown robe torso featuring gold ornate detailing and the perfect hairpiece. The accessory option here is a common gold trophy, though I honestly would love to see a silver one instead. That said, for those who absolutely hate the Steve Harrington minifigure hair from the Creel House set, this hairpiece offers a quick swap and an inexpensive fix. In the past, we have had only 4 Dareth minifigures in total, and only 2 of them were in brown robes. The 2014 version is quite expensive today, and the 2015 version isn't cheap either, since it came as part of the large Temple of Air Jitsu set, which actually is a stunning Ninjago set and one of my all time favorites. Because of that, it's really wonderful to get this Bravado version of the Brown Ninja in the 15th anniversary BAM mix. It's a great minifigure to have, especially considering the previous brown robed version was released over a decade ago. Next up, we have Nia in bright light blue kimono. Both the torso and legs are brand new prints, beautifully detailed with gold accents. She comes with a pearl gold katana. The dual facial expressions and hair are repeats, but overall, this is an elegant and very striking version of Nia. One interesting detail I noticed is that this minifigure is identical in every way to the red kimono version from the 15th anniversary Four Weapons Blacksmith set, except for the color change. After that, we get the surprise minifigure Mistake's Oni form. This version features brand new face printing and comes with a flat silver katana. The torso is the same one used for Garmadon, but overall the minifigure is extremely accurate to the show. We have had few Oni minifigures in the past, but this year is especially generous to fans. We already got Mistake in minifigure form from the 15th anniversary Ninjago Old Town set, and now her Oni form is available through BAM. This is really a nice treat for Ninjago fans. Lastly, we have Pixel in a purple robe with a layered print torso, trans orange katana, plain purple legs, silver hair, and dual facial expressions. Only the torso is new, but the print quality is excellent. The facial expressions are repeats, though one small observation is that the face print is slightly visible from the back because the hairline doesn't fully cover it. We have had few Pixel minifigures before, but only one in a purple outfit, and that version is quite expensive. Considering that this is also a very welcome and accessible alternative in this BAM selection. So, those are the 7 minifigures from the January 2026 Build a Minifigure selection. Personally, for me, Nia and Dereth clearly stand out. A few new accessories and some more printed legs would have made this even better. But even with fewer new elements, these minifigures still look great for the 15th anniversary lineup. If you already have a lot of Ninjago minifigures and spare parts, instead of buying all 35 parts, you can just easily pick 8 unique pieces to assemble new variants or upgrade your existing minifigures. That said, as promised, here is a quick glimpse of February 2026 Valentine's Day BAM selection. And all three builds are absolutely adorable. I can't wait to pick these up. And before wrapping up, here are a few quick Ninjago facts shared by the LEGO group on the occasion of 15th anniversary celebrations. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. See you all in the next one.